Guys, you want to bring Apple logo into a watch startup? It is very simple, man. In this watch, you can do it whatever the logo you want to bring it on the startup. Very simple method. Not only that, multiple sports modes, music controls, health activities, so many things. It comes with very budget friendly price bracket. So, do we have to compromise anything due to this price bracket? Let's find out in this full review. Hi everyone, welcome back to FreeBet Studio. Today I came up with MT8 Ultra Smartwatch. It is exactly 2-inch smartwatch and it is built with aluminum alloy. On right side there is a workable cord and a power button and a mic, and the left side there is a quick button and a speaker, and in the back there are some health sensors, and there is a push button for removing the straps and physical 4 screws. That's it. Now the watch is connected. I'm going to change the logo here. Gallery. Yeah, I will put this one. Selection. In the middle will be okay. So selection. Save. So this is transferring that file into your watch. 100% is transferred. Once everything completed, then when you start your logo, it will come with the Apple Watch. I'm going to shut down. See, when you are shutting down, it is changing to Apple logo. If you restart also, this will be showing us Apple logo. Likewise, any PNG files, you can keep it here. Let's try with any of our photos, it is synchronizing. Say this one, selection. Selection, save. So it is transferring here now. That is a very cool thing about this watch. So we are owing a FreeBet Studio Smartwatch company, guys. Drop down list, Bluetooth connectivity, brightness control, sound control, menu style changes, and quick settings menu, and also phone dialer is there. In the settings menu, you can see Bluetooth connectivity. It is named as a music switch. And bedside mode is there. Always on display. Rise to wake function is there. Screen timer, sound settings, and D&D, language, vibration control. That is in the quick settings menu. Single press bring the menu ups. From there, indoor activities and outdoor activities you can find it. Each activity has sub activities. Even indoor activity is skipping, indoor biking, plants, and likewise there is a lot of options available, and everything it is showing a different photo also in the background, so it will be easily identifiable for you, and it is maintaining a separate databases for your workouts, so that is cool thing you can maintain in the phone application. Menu you can change it in the 5 types. It shows fast charge support, so we tested. It is taking almost 1.5 hours to charge in full. Once it is charged, it is lasting for 3 days. Now taken the health application comparison with Samsung Watch 4. That is good for these health applications. When we tested, we are amazed with the results. You see, 64, 66. BP is not available in Samsung Watch 4. And body heat in MT8 Ultra it's showing, but Samsung doesn't have. The SpO2 both watches has, so we have tested both. So the result you can see live, 95, and Samsung it shows how much you can see there. But the Samsung watch AMOLED display, the display incomparable with MT8 Ultra. This is 96, it is finished with the SpO2. See, the result is amazing, man. I didn't expect this much in this MT8 Ultra. Contacts. You can store 200 contacts here. See here. Up to 200 contacts you can store in this watch. That is one very cool feature. Actually, find devices, it is giving a cool sound, See, very cool sound. Some of the watches previously we reviewed, it is not giving the sound, but it is giving only kind of lighting up the watches. But it is giving a good sound, so that is cool. Not only this, you can find your mobile phone as well from here. See here. Notifications, you can enable whatever the notifications you want to give, everything it is showing up. So if you go to swipe up, all the messages will show with the icon, the sender and the message in the short form. So messages you can see in the short form, you cannot reply into this watch. Multi-Fit is the application to connect with your phone. You can scan the QR code to download the application, otherwise you can just type it, Multi-Fit, in the Play Store, and you can download it and install. Then you can connect, enabling the Bluetooth function, then it's ready to go. And there is a lot of watch faces available here, plenty of watch faces. Everything looks very nice, and everything is free, nothing you have to pay for it. Instantly you can download it, it will be installed in your watch. So here you will get what are the watch faces on your watch, total 7. This is our customized one, others are its own. Camera, as usual, you can take photos using this one. So it's taken, but there is no sound in it. See, alarm you can set in both ways. You can set from your phone also, you can set from your watch as well. So the breath, inhale and exhale, so that also working very well. The sleep monitor, it is giving a detailed report, man. Then when you go here, activity monitor, so it is erasing your data. Once you stop that activity, it is erasing data. Once you stop that activity, it is erasing your data, and it is syncing with your phone application, but that also not giving a detailed report. It is giving something like accumulated ones, so that is not that much good. And also this timer, here there is a lot of options, up to 2 hours. Then this is the one, navigation equipment. Very nicely it is working. Then there is a 2-way, you can do that one also. See here, it's working good. This one actually it is not working. When you press this record button, you see here, this device is not supported.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me. Looking for change, looking for pain, pulling a mob, pushing a train. I'll never stop, stick to a lane, pick up the pieces and go rearrange. I'll be the best above all the rest, put me to the test and expect nothing less. You check as I'm chess, what's happening next? Yeah. You got the vent.
See, receiving calls is not a problem. I'm going to answer this one.
I get ready for 15 minutes.
Very good, very good.
Okay.
Within 1 minute I will join with you. Within 1 minute I will join with you. Is everything good in this watch? There is no any problems? No, not at all. There are some. First I can say, this touch screen, whenever you drop down or you want to open up any application, things like that, very quickly the screen is going off. So it is giving a kind of disturbance. See here, how many times I have. But it is only sometimes it is happening, not always. Sometimes it is happening. But if you are opening from the side, there won't be any issues. If you are going straight away, it is getting off very frequently. Workout records, more than 8,000 steps, but it is not showing here. It is showing only current one. When I was putting in the sports mode active, so it is taking that time only. After that, it's not showing anything. I am giving you some samples as well. The messages, you cannot open it and see within the window whatever the message it is. Your Google account was signed into. See, only half of the message it is visible, not in full. I shared all the pros and cons about this watch. If you are using this watch now, let me know your experience in the comments below. This watch I purchased actually 1150 rupees. Initially it was priced 1300. I got some 150 discount, so 1150 is the last price. I leave you the WhatsApp contact number to buy this watch. If you like, you can check it out. That's all in this video. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to support our channel. We will see you in the next interesting video. Until then, bye bye from Freeway Studio. Thanks for watching.